Hello, students. It's Miss Coulter. Today I'm going to show you how to check your grades and any private comments your teacher may leave you on any of your work. When you go into Google Classroom, the only way that you can have any grades or comments is if you've turned in work. And we know that turned in work will always be the lighter color. So I'm going to go to one of the assignments that was done a while back. I can click on the assignment, click View Assignment, and it will bring me to where the grades and any comments are from my teacher. Underneath the title of your assignment, you'll see what your grade is. So this assignment was worth 100 points, and I made 100. 100 out of 100. Pretty good job. Also at the bottom, right side, you'll see that my teacher left me a comment. So 100 is a job well done. You can also leave any private comments you want to your teacher right here. If you have any questions about the work, or you're just unsure of how to do it, right here would be a great place to leave a comment. And the only person that can see it is your teacher. So don't be afraid to ask questions or to get help. Thank you for watching this video and learning how to check your grades, which are on the left side, and any private comments that you or the teacher make are on the right side. Good luck on all your studies.